Ready, Mr. President? At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. The marker reads as follows. Region 1 Medical Center Cancer Institute. The R1MC Cancer Institute is one of the multi-subspecialty service centers envisioned to provide accessible, safe, and quality patient care, inaugurated under the administration of His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, through the initiative and leadership of Joseph Roland O. Mejia, MD, Medical Center Chief 2. Maraming salamat po, mahal na Pangulo. Ngayon, iniimbitahan po natin ang Pangulo para sa isang facility tour sa ground floor ng R1MC Cancer Institute, kung saan matatagpuan